तो बच्चों, अब हम रीडिंग करते हैं क्लास 8 का लेसन 3। जैसा कि आप देख रहे हैं, द राइट चॉइस। तो इसको ध्यान से आप लोग सुनिए। राकेश was very excited. It was his last day of exam. His vacation was about to begin. His vacation was about to begin. He walked back home cheerfully. As soon as he reached home, he put his bag in a corner and ran towards his brother's room. Rakesh, don't disturb your brother. His exams are not yet over, his mother said. Rakesh returned, returned to his room sadly. His brother Mukesh was preparing for the board exams. His parents did not want Mukesh to be disturbed. His parents did not want Mukesh to be disturbed. A little later, his mother called out. A little later, his mother called out. A little later, his mother called out, Rakesh. Yes, mother, he answered and rushed to her room. What is it, mother? He asked curiously. The table lamp in Mukesh's room is not working. The table lamp in Mukesh's room is not working. He needs it. Go and call the electrician, she said. Mother, can't Mukesh fix it himself? He is so good at it, Rakesh said. आगे देखें. Don't argue. ARGUE, argue. Don't argue, Rakesh. Do as you are told, she said. Sternly, STERNLY, sternly. She said sternly. Overhearing this conversation. Overhearing this conversation, Mukesh came out and said, Oh mother, please let me try. It will not take more than half an hour. HALF, half है, L नहीं बोलना है, L silent है, half an hour. It will not take more than half an hour. Hour बोलते हैं, hour बोलते हैं कुछ लोग, दोनों ठीक है. It will not take more than half an hour. No, don't waste your time. Go and study, she said firmly. Quietly, Mukesh returned to his room, but could not concentrate on his studies. He was eager to use his electrical toolkit. Mukesh had selected each tool with utmost care. He kept looking at it. He could not control himself and finally got up to fix the lamp. By the time Rakesh returned, Mukesh had already repaired the lamp. Wow, Mukesh, you are brilliant. I knew you would be able to do it. I knew you would, WOULD, L नहीं बोला जाता, would be able to do it, exclaimed Rakesh. Sorry for the trouble, Mr. Yadav. The work is already done, said the mother to the electrician. I am sure Mukesh must have done it. You already have an expert electrician at home, Mr. Yadav said and left with a smile. Now stop wasting your time. And get back to your studies, mother told Mukesh. On the day of the announcement of results, Mukesh went to school with his parents. Mukesh had topped his class. Mother, now it will be easy for you to gain admission in a good college. Mukesh, mother, I don't want Mukesh, mother, I don't want to go to a college. Father, I want to join a course that can help me to take up my hobby as my profession. The next day, he went to the Technical Training Institute with his father. There he gained admission in the course of his choice. A couple of years later, everyone looked cheerful as they walked out of the house. Mukesh had set up a new shop and they were going for its inauguration. Inauguration means होता है उद्घाटन. For its inauguration. At the inaugural ceremony, Mukesh asked Rakesh to come forward and cut the ribbon. Everyone clapped and wished Mukesh good luck. तो ये आपका पूरा चैप्टर रहा. कुछ इसके कठिन डिफ़िकल्ट वर्ड्स हैं जो आपको इसके मीनिंग और स्पेलिंग याद कर लेनी चाहिए. इस वीडियो को आप लोग बार बार सुने तो आपको ये लेटर आसानी से ये लेसन अच्छे से आप लर्न कर पाएंगे. तो ये रीडिंग है. अब आप शुरुआती 3 जो आपके फर्स्ट 3 लेसन्स हैं इन पर पूरा अपना फोकस करें, इनकी रीडिंग पर.